Hey guys, welcome back to another Sparkle adventure. Today I am bringing you an unboxing video of the Glittery Hands Box subscription. I am so super duper excited to open this up. This is the first time I've ever received the Glittery Hands Box. I was chosen to be on their design team and I've never gotten one before, and I'm so excited to see what is in here, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Now, the Glittery Hands Box is a subscription service. Well, you can either subscribe or you can just buy the boxes one-off if you'd like. There are two versions. There's the original version and the mini version. The original is roughly $20 a month. It's in pounds, so once you translate it, it's about $20 a month, and then the mini version is about $10 a month. It's £7.50, £7 and 50 cents. I'm not sure how all that works, but anyway, I'm so excited, like I said, to get into this. The other design team members are so talented, and I've loved seeing their projects, so please go check out the blog and the Instagram account for Glittery Hands Box. I'll make sure to put that information on the screen, and it will also be in the description below. So let's get into this. Oh my goodness. So the Glittery Hands Box is, it's a paper crafting, well, crafting really, subscription service. So there's all different kinds of supplies in here. Alright. This is the tea and cake box for May 2018. This is the little magazine that we get. There's always time for tea. How cute! We can see different projects here that other people have made with previous boxes. Alright, let's get into it. Ooh, love this. It's a ring of tags. I find myself always looking for more tags. I wish I had more. And I love that these are on a ring. They'll be easy to keep together. And these will definitely get used up in some projects for sure. We also have some little craft paper envelopes. I need to make some flip books to go out to some friends, so those will definitely get used. Oh, we've got a cute little pencil. It says "Make Things Happen." You can see that there. We've got some little quote strips. That's what I call these. I love cake and tea o'clock. How cute is that? Ooh, some fun vintage looking flower stickers. Those are really cute. Oh, some ribbon. It says, "You're so sweet." That's adorable. Another envelope. Some string. Ooh. I'm coming up with ideas as I'm seeing what all is inside. We got a heart cookie cutter. What can I use that for? I'm just coming up, because like I said, this is not a sticker box or this is a crafting box. There's so much variety of stuff, and it's just it's really getting me my creative juices flowing. And here we've got another quote strip. Time for tea. And I think this is probably referencing hot tea, but I don't drink a whole lot of hot tea, never. But I do drink sweet tea quite a bit. Not super sweet, but I drink sweet tea, so I will definitely be using this tea stuff. Oh, we got little tea kettle wood chip. Is that what that's called? Wood embellishment? I'm not sure. Oh, this is cute. Banner? Not a banner. I'll probably use it, something like that, but that's cute. Ooh, we got our Glittery Hands Box glitter mix. I'm pretty sure that each box comes with its own mix of glitter colors that go with the theme. So I'm really excited to get the glitter. Obviously, I love glitter. And we have sequins here that also go with that. Ooh, some fun coloring stickers that have some gold glitter on them already. That is really cute. Oh, those cupcakes. I'm excited to color those in. Now, I want to ask you guys, what do you use to color in your stickers? Color pencils are not quite fine enough to color in the details. So if you have a suggestion of what kind of marker or pencil I could use to color in stickers, please comment down below and let me know. We also got Folk Floral. These are so cute. Oh, that's the other side of the ribbon. I love these. These are really cute. The color scheme of these really has kind of like a vintagey look to them with like the mustard yellow and the coral. Those are really cute. Yep, I think I know what I'm going to use some of these for. And then we get to the papers. We've got a sheet of vellum here, and you know how much I love vellum. So versatile. Ooh, this is cute. We've got teacups, or coffee cups, and cake. So cute. Oh, yeah. Ooh, oh, this is cute. Oh, that's awesome. She shows you how to make a 3D teacup. And she gives you the template to make it for, I guess, out of these papers. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to do that. Let's do it right now. Decorate and color in. Cut out. Fold all dashed lines. Glued together. Yeah, let's do this. So now that I went through and cut out the template for the teacup and saucer, I'm going to go through this paper pack and pick out some papers to use for the cup because I want it to be really cute. And what I like about this pack is that these things are double-sided. So for the teacup, there will be a pattern on the outside and the inside. our little teacup and saucer project. How cute was that? I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe it'll like hold paper clips or something. Oh, maybe these envelopes. Oh, that would be cute. I love that the Glittery Hands box came with all of this fun craft supplies and a little project that I just knocked out in, you know, short little bit of time there. Emma did say that the theme for the next month's box is Unicorn Fairground. How fun is that? So subscriptions are still open for the June box, which will be the Unicorn Fairground, until June 1st. Like I said, I'll definitely put links in the description and up on the screen here so that you can go and check that out and sign up for that box. Again, I am so excited to start using all of this stuff and to share all my fun projects with you, and I hope you guys like it too. Thank you so much for following along, and I'll see you next time. Bye!